He had every reason to say no. The boy stood at the edge of the training ground, small hands gripping a wooden sword too large for him. He did not know what his father had done. He did not know who this man was, or why the master's jaw tightened when he looked at him. The master breathed slowly. He raised his own sword into the opening form. The boy copied him, clumsy and eager. One thought rose like smoke. This child carries the blood of the man who took everything from me. He let the thought pass. He corrected the boy's grip, quietly, carefully, the way a true teacher would. Because honor is not the thing you show to people who are easy to love. Anyone can be kind to someone who deserves it. That costs nothing. The real test is this. Can you serve your duty with clean hands when your heart is full of fire? The master exhaled. He raised his sword again. Once more, he said, follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.